the highland area of the San Bernardino Valley. What do we have over here? Authorized vehicles only, road closed. Oh, here we go, green spot. Santa Ana Canyon. Welcome to the Oaks Dam. How's it going?
Where's it going, boss?
Just cruising.
Can't go through here.
We can't go through here?
No.
It's closed?
That's as far as you can go.
Oh, okay, cool. Are there any roads that go up and over?
The only one that I know is that road over there. That's it. That's the only one I know.
Is that legal to ride on?
I think it is.
Okay, how do I get to it?
You're going through the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think it's on that other end. As soon as you pass the bridge, there's a little road that it goes through.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Right? Okay, brother.
So this gentleman seems to believe that just past the ridge, oh, I see it right there, that road that goes up. Let's go check it out. Check it out. So it's really just on the other side of this little mountain right here. Just gotta find it. And I did see one here that was closed off. That was definitely closed off. Let's see. Just past the bridge. Oh, just past the bridge. I mean, that's obviously closed. I'm sure we could get around it. Motor vehicles or motorized bicycles. Probably get in trouble for going through there. No trespassing. It sucks. Looks like a no-go on that one. Anyway, adventure riding, super cool. When you can find a cool road that is open and not gated, you get to cruise up to the top of these mountains. There's nothing like it. It's like you're the only one up there. Super, super fun, but not today it looks like. This little avocado adventure we just went on, trying to find a dirt road at the top of the mountain. At least we got one of the items checked off our list. We got some avocados. All right, today we find ourselves at the Arnott Farms. This place is amazing. They've got fresh avocados. So all the avocados are grown on these trees right here. Talked to the farmer a little while ago and he was super cool. Hey guys, super cool store. You can see they got fresh avocados down here. Never seen those before. Oro Blanco, some sort of lemon. Oranges, raw honey. Eggs are amazing. Cool part is all this stuff is grown right here on site. Pretty awesome. Thanks again, guys. So I just picked up a bag of avocados. Look at that avocado. Woo-wee. Jumbo avocados. These are Haas. Now sometimes when you're, dude, you're really lucky at the beginning of the season. Was it the beginning? No, at the end of the year. At the end of the year, they have these avocados called bacon avocados. You've never had one? Dude, highly recommend you find them. It's like eating avocado butter. It's crazy. Anyway, these guys live on site right back there. They grow all the things here. That right there obviously is an orange tree because there's oranges hanging out inside of it. And then that tree right there next to the building is an avocado tree. I was talking to one of the owners once when I was here. I stop in every now and again and get avocados, and I get obviously oranges and honey are the three things that I usually pick up, but we did not get any mountains. So that's this guy, authorized vehicles only. Check this out. property. No trespassing. I think that means that over there, though, not over here. Alright, look at this. Dudes, this is it! This is it! Dude, look at this. This is the North Fork ditch. Alright, I gotta turn off some trash control. So I'm gonna get some ripping action going on here. This is why I love dual sport and adventure motorcycles. Because if you see a cool mountain up to the top, sketchy sideways. So check those out on the way back. Look at this. This makes me so angry. There's garbage up here. And I get coming out and having fun, but dude, take your crap with you. It's horrible. Again, probably should have worn some moto boots today, but I was not intending to do this. I was just running to get some avocados. And then I saw some dirt roads and thought, oh man, I want to go to the top. That happens. So that's that Santa Ana Bridge we were just down at. Oh, I see. So there's that road that he says might have been open that was not. That looks like it runs that ridge line. Runs that ridge line, the short ridge line. There's a bunch of others over here too that we could get to if we could get past this little station. And right there, that little white building is where we got our avocados. Nice. Man, and then we look this way. It's epic. Let's get a selfie. Flip it. Alright, so here I am in the San Bernardino Mountains here. I just want to say that these Moto Z Tractionator Desert HTs are legit. So this here's the front tire, probably about 3,000 miles on that one. And the rear tire, which you may have seen me plug recently, right here, dude, they handle amazingly. So as you can see, we're cruising up this dirt road, no problem at all, full air pressure. And on the street, they just do so well. Alright, oh look at that. That's cool too. Oh heck yeah, look at that is why we adventure ride. Look at that view. You don't get that view from a car on I-10? No, you don't get that view at all. There we go, a little jump. Should do it. That was lame. Lame, Kyle. Lame. Oh, here we go. Well, here we go. Up and over. Ah! God, look at that view. Again, adventure bike riding with the proper tires. You can go just about anywhere and see just about anything. Anyway, I gotta get back down. I gotta get back to work. Someone's gotta make the money and pay the bills. But if you had like a cruiser motorcycle or a sport touring motorcycle or any of those, man, those might be a little bit more comfortable on the pavement for like long distances and stuff like that. But dude, if you saw a dirt road in the mountains, you just can't take it. Up here on the top of this little mountain. Whoa, straight over. might get a tick up here. That's cool, man. Down to get back to work. Getting down, getting down. Anyway, short little detour. We got to see a dam that we weren't able to see before. Super cool from the top view down to the dam. That was neat. Then we got to see parts of this valley that were not visible, and other modes of transportation. Oh, nice. So, yeah, adventure riding. It's all about getting out there, checking stuff out, seeing new things, and having an adventure. Of course, you can have an adventure on any motorcycle. I mean, shoot, I'm taking my VTX 1300 Honda Cruiser 20 miles down a stupid dirt road because I saw a sign that said Crater Lake, and I was afraid I was going to miss the Crater Lake, and literally I got out to like a little mosquito pond, and there's a couple dudes sitting around the lake. They're like, "What are you doing out here?" I'm like, "Oh, I saw the sign that said Crater Lake," and they just busted up laughing. They're like, "Oh, you'd be surprised at how many people come out here looking for the Crater Lake because they don't know geographically where it is, and they come to this one." So I guess they sit around, drink some beers, and get a chuckle out of the people making that mistake. I was one of them. Oh well. We're both in Oregon. This one's just in a way different part of Oregon. Yeah, buddy. That was fun. Alright, so that's it. Why I love having an adventure bike. Being able to kick off on roads like this is you just see one cruising down the highway and you're like, hey, I wonder where that goes. I don't know, let's go take a look. Pretty fun. Anyway, I'm Bradshaw. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't, well, sorry. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Anyway, I'm out of here. Till next time, take care. And ride safe.